Entry 1.0, a smarter neonatal monitoring ecosystem designed to improve premature infant care through touchless monitoring, intelligent automation, and real time remote connectivity. The objective of this project is to create an affordable and scalable neonatal support system that reduces infection risks, improves monitoring efficiency, and enables safer healthcare environments through aseptic intelligence and IoT enabled healthcare technology.
Premature neonatal care remains inaccessible for many healthcare facilities due to the high cost of conventional NICU infrastructure. In addition, traditional contact based monitoring methods can contribute to hospital acquired infections and increase the risk of cross contamination among highly vulnerable infants. Delayed manual observation further creates critical response gaps, highlighting the need for a safer, smarter, and more accessible monitoring solution.
Why Neo-Sentry is different? Neo-Sentry focuses on delivering intelligent neonatal monitoring through a completely touchless and cost-effective architecture. Unlike conventional systems dependent on wired physical probes, our solution minimizes unnecessary physical interaction while enabling real-time telemetry, remote alerting, and continuous monitoring. The system aims to combine affordability, aseptic operation, and accessibility into a single scalable healthcare framework.
The system continuously monitors environmental and activity related conditions using an ESP32 based IoT architecture with integrated wireless communication. Real time telemetry is displayed locally through an OLED interface while simultaneously supporting remote monitoring capabilities. This ensures rapid situational awareness for caregivers while maintaining compact, low power, and efficient system operation.
Neo-Sentry includes automated climate regulation mechanisms designed to maintain stable and neonatal environmental conditions. The system dynamically activates cooling or heating components whenever predefined temperature thresholds are exceeded. In addition, progressive buzzer-based safety alerts are triggered during prolonged inactivity conditions, ensuring rapid attention during potential critical situations.
The system supports intelligent remote communication through real time alert dispatches and status notifications. A major feature is the touchless alarm suppression mechanism, which allows alert acknowledgement without direct physical contact, supporting improved aseptic handling practices within sensitive neonatal environments. This enhances both operational efficiency and infection control safety.
Neo-Sentry integrates cloud-based telemetry visualization and historical data logging for continuous monitoring and analysis. Environmental and operational parameters are recorded with structured timestamps, enabling trend analysis, remote observation, and long-term monitoring documentation. This transforms the system from a basic monitoring device into a data-driven healthcare support platform.
To ensure uninterrupted operation, the system also supports offline functionality through a self hosted local monitoring network. Even during internet failures, caregivers can still access live telemetry, alert, and monitoring dashboards locally. The system additionally supports report generation for structured analysis and documentation purposes.
This demonstration shows the offline dashboard capability of Neo-Sentry. The system continues providing live graphs, telemetry visualization, and alert functionality without requiring external internet infrastructure, improving operational reliability in low connectivity environments.
These images represent the prototype development, hardware integration, and practical implementation stages of Neo-Sentry 1.0.
The roadmap focuses on integrating advanced intelligent healthcare technologies such as TinyML based apnea prediction, edge based computer vision analytics, and predictive neonatal monitoring systems. The long term vision is to evolve Neosentry into a proactive neonatal intelligence ecosystem capable of supporting predictive and data assisted healthcare decisions.
Neo-Sentry aims to make intelligent neonatal monitoring more accessible, affordable, and scalable across diverse healthcare environments. By reducing infrastructure barriers and promoting aseptic touchless monitoring practice, the system has the potential to support safer neonatal care delivery in both urban and underserved regions. Thus, we would like to conclude every premature heartbeat deserves a future. Thank you.